Okay, and here we are again, still working in the same chapter. We're going to go to Game Objects, Create Other. This time we're going to create a sphere. There it is, right in the center. That's nice. I'm going to move it over to the left with the default arrows or the handles here. I'm going to zoom out just a little bit. I'm going to create another sphere. Move that to the left. And one more. Game Object, Create Other, third sphere. And now we're going to zoom out a little bit, scroll wheel, grab the one on the well, let's grab the one on the right. Move that one over, move this one over a little bit. And now since we've got three spheres here, we want to be able to identify them from each other a little bit better. They're all listed just as sphere right now. So I'm going to grab this one on the left and then come up to the inspector, change the name, and I'm going to change this to Sun. Going to change the position to be 0, 10, 0. Change the scale to be 20, 20, 20. Okay, now let's zoom out a bit. And actually, as big as this is, it actually covers over the others. So we'll just choose this next one down here in the hierarchy window and come up to the inspector. And I'm going to name this one Earth. And then we'll come in and give this one a position. And let's see. Let's change this to 40, 10, 0. Remember, y is the height. And then the scale, 4, 4, and 4. So it's a good bit smaller than the sun. There it is. Now grab the last sphere. Probably guess we're going to call this one Moon. And we'll give this a position of, let's see, 50, again 10, 0, and we'll leave the scale at 1. So there they are, and that looks good. Zoom in, drag to the left, which is Alt Center mouse click, and there we have it, Earth, Moon, and Sun. Now, as you most likely know, the Earth revolves around the Sun, and the Moon revolves around the Earth. So it kind of implies a parent-child relationship in which the Sun is the parent of the Earth, and the Earth is the parent of the Moon. And we can actually set that up in Unity so that the objects work that way, so that when one moves, one that's the child of that one will move also. But the child object will still be able to move independently if that's what you want. So let's come down here to the hierarchy window and set that up. Okay, so here I am in the hierarchy window. I'm going to take the Earth, drag it to the Sun. You see there, open the Sun, there's the Earth. And then I can take the Moon and drag it to the Earth. And open up the Earth. And there it is. We have Sun, Earth, Moon. I'm going to click on Rotate here, grab the Sun. Now actually we're at the center of the three objects. We're going to change this to Pivot. Haven't talked about that yet. We will in a second. And so now when we rotate the Sun, see the Earth and the Moon rotate as well. And, you know, that's not exactly how astronomy works, but it gives you kind of the right effect. Now we can unparent here by just grabbing any of these, like we grabbed the Moon here, and move it away. And now when we rotate the Sun, see the Earth goes, but not the Moon. Okay, so that's it for this video. Now we've already saved a scene from the previous video, so we're going to save this scene, but we're going to do a Save Scene As. And comes up, see there's the My New Scene from before. So we'll call this one My Other New Scene. And there it is, so we'll save it. And then we can Save our project again, just for grins. Then we can close Unity, and we'll open my new project here. And in the assets directory, there we have it. We've got my new scene, my other new scene. Eventually, you'll be having a lot of scenes in your projects. When you have a game, if it has a number of levels, if it has a start screen, an end screen, a instruction screen, maybe some sort of properties screen where you can go in and change some things around, those tend to all be different scenes. And so you can easily probably see a game having dozens or more screens. So we'll get to that eventually, not just yet, but by the end of the course, actually, we'll be building projects with a number of different scenes. So that's it for now, and we'll see you in the next video.